In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the sky on any image inside of PhotoVibrance. So what I'm going to do is simply go to Effects and then go to Skies. And you can simply hover your mouse on the different types of skies and then left click to add it to your canvas. And then I'm just going to simply resize it a little bit like this and maybe place it up a bit like so. The next thing you want to do is click on Draw Mask, and you can simply just zoom in a bit and draw out the edge of your mask over here and then fill it in once you've added the edge. So I'm going to quickly go through and do this. Okay, great. So once you've drawn out the mask, simply hit finish, and then what you can do is adjust the edge fading by simply playing around with this, and you see that it helps you to basically merge the footage together so it looks a lot cleaner. And you can also adjust the speed of your video, so let's click on play, and you can see how nice that looks to really create a lot of attention to your image. And you can also adjust the speed as well, overall speed of the video, by dragging this down like so and placing it like that. So that's how to quickly create a sky replacement inside of PhotoVibrance.